Hi guys, Barclay here from iPhone. I'm just doing a quick video on changing a screen on an iPhone 5G, which is just the standard one. It's got the square on the button and it's got the round flash. I'm just going to put a new one on because this one's got some lines and it's doing a few funny things, so we'll change it out and see how we go with that one. Okay, you start with a pentalobe screwdriver. You just take out the two screws at the bottom, each side of the charge port. There is, you can see there, two screws. I will speed this video up when we get inside so you're not sitting there watching this for too long. As you can see, the screws come from out of here, those ones we found, so the microphone and speaker's not being held down, and here's one of the other ones sitting down in here. Okay, so what we'll do is just have a quick inspection, see how dirty it is, because we'll give them a clean up. Okay, we can pop that plate off now, put them to the side. Okay, as you can see, it's delaminated on the sides, it's not doing so well, and it's got lines on the screen, so that's going to be rubbish. We'll get the new screen out. The order that you do things on these is not so critical to the later model ones. You can put the plate straight back on. And there we have, it's hard to see, a much better screen now, no lines. So now we have it starting up, and we're back to a nice working screen again. Alright, well, that about wraps it up for that video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.